Lake Management Incorporated, we offer custom maintenance, repair, and installation for all types of ponds, lakes, and fountains. From day one, we provide our clients a full lineup of commercial fountain service options, as well as custom lake and pond maintenance solutions we perform with our weekly aquatic management plans. We always suggest adding items like floating lake aerators and fountains to your commercial or residential property, as these add function to go with the beauty of the water features. In addition, they serve as an integral factor in comprehensive pond or lake management. Floating fountains can provide both circulation and aeration, which proves crucial to a successful maintenance plan for your lake of total pond. When the appropriate pond and lake aeration systems are added, they can help mitigate the damage which excessive nutrient loading can cause, which happens itself from stormwater inflow, anaerobic water quality, plus many other stagnant water issues. Many pond and lake owners face issues like water quality problems and excess algae, but the right floating fountain aeration process can help reduce these issues when added, letting beneficial microbial processes take over and help manage your water features. In addition to our large and small lake maintenance packages, we offer recurring chemical treatments to help reduce your potential for items such as excess vegetation, algae, even toxic algae management. We understand the water chemistry required to keep your lakes, ponds, and fountains running in top shape while allowing beautiful vegetation and wildlife to flourish in your aquatic systems. Do you need a quote for a lake management company for your commercial or residential property? Call us today or feel free to send us an email for a free maintenance or repair quote.